Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? நீங்களுக்கு சுகமான? Welcome to Flying Skies 1. Recently, I have uploaded a video on Jiomart daily rice. If any of you have missed this video, do watch because you'll know how good the quality of rice is, and not only that, you will find some hidden benefits which are very useful. If you have not watched that video, do watch. I'll provide the link in the description box and the I button as well. Okay, today we'll see one more daily rice that we have purchased on Jiomart stores. This is butterfly sorted rice. It's a 25 kg bag rice. The price is 1240 rupees. I'll provide the link in the description box. If you want, you can purchase on Jiomart stores. They are available right now. It's a good quality rice as you see in the picture, but it has got broken rice. Though it seems a small grain, after cooking you will see rice being long and fluffy, and the quantity also increases. It has got bland taste. It's not sweet. Without any delay, we'll see how the rice is after cooking. Shall we go? Yes. So how is the rice? Did you like? Let me know this answer in the comment section. For more videos, do subscribe Flying Skies 1. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling always.